Real Deal is a premier auto care service specializing in interior and exterior detailing, ceramic coatings, and maintenance. Here's what Ben Gallup had to say. Farron did a fantastic job with our 21-foot Jeep 392 exterior detail. He brought the paint back to life. Super friendly and easy to schedule. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend his services. He's definitely the only detailer I'd go to in the Daytona area. I'm Ben Gallup, and I approve this message. Check out the pictures or make a reservation online. Call Farron at 386-506-7476 for more information.